Are you looking to build your business credit like a boss? Well, you're in luck. I've created this awesome ebook where you can learn how to build business credit and get over $500,000 in business funding. It's on sale right now, $40 on sale. Original price is $125. I am giving you guys this at a highly discounted price, but only 100 copies will be sold at this price. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comments. You are already a boss, so why not get that business credit like a boss? Hi everyone, it's your girl designer Soapbox, and I am back with another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about what to write for a reconsideration message after getting approved for a low limit. So if this sounds like you, stay tuned. So were you approved for a low limit with Navy Federal after applying for a credit card? Here's what you can do to get an instant credit limit increase. What you can do: ask for a reconsideration for the credit limit increase. This reconsideration can be made right after you have been approved for a Navy Federal credit card. It must be within 1 to 3 business days from your approval date. What a reconsideration is, you're basically asking them to review your recent application and reconsider the approved credit limit. They will manually review the information that they got from the same hard pull from your approval date. This video is very short and sweet. I have another credit limit approval request video that you can watch. I'll leave that link below, and they'll tell you exactly how to request a credit limit increase through the app, and also more information on what you can say there as well. But I wanted to give you guys a long version and a short version that will help you get that credit limit increase reconsideration approved. So long version. So basically you will want to address to whom it may concern. This is a generic message. If you recently just became a Navy Federal member, which is very common for those that are applying for their first credit card at Navy Federal. I recently became a Navy Federal credit union member. I opened up a savings account and approved for the name of the credit card that you were approved for. So whether that being a flagship credit card, a rewards credit card, a Amex credit card, a platinum credit card, a cash rewards credit card, whatever credit card that you were approved for, you want to put that name right there. I also recently opened my own business and was looking for a rewards card for a higher limit. And it was shocked when I was only approved for, and then you will mention the credit card limit. So a very low limit is maybe $500, $1,000, $3,000. You know, it all depends on what credit limit that you may consider a low limit. I have a great credit score and anticipate no issues with getting a high year limit credit card. I am writing in hopes that my application can be reviewed and the credit limit should be reconsidered. As I mentioned, I am looking for a larger limit rewards credit card to help me support me in my business. Any assistance in this matter is greatly appreciated. Thank you for your time and consideration. Regards, your name. So long and very detailed, and you'll send it through the app. Make sure you guys watch my other video, which I'll leave in the description below, and it will show you exactly how to write this message and where you should go to write this message so that a Navy Federal representative can review it. So the short version, this is short and sweet. Please reconsider my credit limit. I have begun my credit rehabilitation and have made it the utmost importance to ensure on-time payments, and I am actively trying to lower my utilization on other accounts. I am currently looking to prove my credit worthiness in building a solid relationship with Navy Federal Credit Union, as well as treating your credit union with the utmost respect. So in this version, you can be a little bit honest. If you think you got a lower limit due to your utilization and maybe some late payments, be honest. Let them know that you are working on it. You would still like your credit limit to be reconsidered. So these are short and long versions that you can write to Navy Federal after being approved for a low limit for a reconsideration to get that high limit that you want within 1 to 3 business days. So helpful tips. When you ask for a credit limit increase, it's typically after you've had the credit account established already, so they'll have to do another credit pull, soft pull. This is totally different from a credit limit increase. This is asking for a reconsideration of a credit limit increase after your credit card approval, okay? If you already gone past 2 to 3 days of approval, then it's best to wait for your 91.3 rule, which is 91 days after your approval date or 3 statements after your approval date, whichever is first. And then you can ask for that increase or request for another credit line or increase, because you may be denied if it's too late after 2 to 3 days. This is why you need to do it right after you've been approved. So in the reconsideration message, do not mention the credit limit of what you want, only because this is basically you limiting yourself. So just write a really detailed message and ask for a reconsideration of a high limit. You'll be very surprised on what you can get when you send a message. Some people go from $1,000 to $25,000. So you don't want to, limit yourself. So just don't try to mention the credit limit of what you want. They will increase your limit based on their second decision. And remember, by you doing this reconsideration, this allows the human to manually pull up your credit report again from that hard pull that they pulled the first time and manually see what they want to give you. So expect a response within 5 to 7 business days, and that message will be responded to you in your message portal within the Navy Federal app. Hey, have you heard about the Charge Off and Collection Express Removal Guide that I have available? A step-by-step guide to remove negative charge-offs and collections from your credit report rapidly. These steps are easy and you don't need a credit repair company to do this. It's all step-by-step that you can do on your own. Check it out. It's 50% off right now. You don't want to miss out at designersoapbox.com, or you can check the pinned comment or link in the description below to find that link. Make sure you check it out. It's 50% off right now, guys. Don't miss out. Hurry, hurry. Hi everyone, this is Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express inquiry removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. One for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to add me on OnlyFans, where we discuss tips and hacks that we can't post on YouTube at onlyfans.com/designer soapbox. Don't forget to add me on Instagram at designer soapbox. And don't forget to check out those ebooks that we got on sale, honey, at designersoapbox.com, where you remove your hard inquiries, late payments, collections, and more. So make sure you check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, guys, I love you all. Bye.